welcome back Fit Fam. It's your girl Magda Civil. For those of you who are new, welcome. Today is going to be a total body exercise routine that you can either do indoors or outdoors, wherever you feel comfortable. So definitely make sure that you're doing these exercises, not only performing these exercise routines, but definitely staying consistent with nutrition is a big factor, and also getting the adequate amount of rest needed for your body to function properly. Now, doing these three consistently is going to help you to reach your results. I have a wonderful exercise routine for you set, and let's get it. As always, I thank you for tuning in and watching the routine. Definitely make sure that if you haven't visited the Uphold Nutriment website, make sure that you go ahead and visit that website for your turmeric and ginger gummies, which is beneficial to help you during your exercise routine, to lower inflammation, to help with joint function. And there's a lot of benefits when it comes to turmeric and ginger gummies altogether. Not only the gummies, but also the actual root itself is super powerful and beneficial. Again, I love you guys for sticking with me, and definitely also remember, staying consistent is key. And definitely don't forget to like this video. We put in a lot of work to put these videos out for you, so don't forget to like the video, comment below, let me know how we've helped you to live a healthier lifestyle, and definitely stay tuned for more to come, and I'll see you next time. Take care.
Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize, but we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part